Hello everybody, it's Marielle K. Head Bergman here, and it appears that we have a package. That package being the last home movies Budsie that I will be commissioning, maybe. I may commission like my OCs in the future, but we're here to focus on canonically in-show characters here. So, this is a character that I have been wanting since around 2022. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it was 2022 because in that year I gained a bit of a random obsession with this character. It happened to just be rather sudden because someone who used to be in my home movies Discord server brought up a theory that they had about the character, and I quickly became obsessed. Alright, so without further ado, let's unbox this. So, let me pull out my X-Acto knife here. I mean, think of it this way, the plush didn't get sent to Puerto Rico like Shannon and Jimmy did, as they explained in the video. So, and this box is like small because I expected it to be a little bigger because as you saw in the video, the Budsies box is a lot larger than this. Okay, so here's the drawing. I mean, you knew it was coming. We're both autistic, and I say so. So, oh my god! Here she is! Fuck. This fucking tissue paper. Oh my god. Look at her, everyone! I can't believe it. Here she is. The last plush to complete the collection. I am reacting as... This is how calm and collected looks because my mom's home and I don't want to, like, be screaming from the rooftops because... Yeah. So, here she is. Little mama. So, yeah. This completes the Home Movies Budsie collection and I could not be happier. So anyways... This about ends the video here. Before I end this off, I just want to say thank you for the immense support with me being in the home movies community for the last 4 years. I've enjoyed being in this fandom, and I enjoy the fan base. This fandom is honestly a lot better than any of the other fandoms I've ever been in, and I will continue being a part of this community because I love it. It's probably one of the best communities I've ever been a part of. And thank you especially to those who have stuck around my 4-year-long journey, whether you've been here since the beginning when I got Shannon, or even now with my latest character, Clarice. So anyways, thank you so very much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.
The winner takes all. It's the thrill of one more kill, the last one to fall. Who never sacrifice their will. Don't ever look back on the world closing.